I'm about to be late for work. Peanut butter. What in the heck did you get yourself into? Are you kidding me right now? What are you doing? For real? Come on. Come on, let's get you out of here. We gotta untangle you. Come on, let's twist you around. Come on. Come on. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at this insaneness. What? Come on, go. Hut. Come on, go. Hut. Really, Chrome? Really? I can't leave you alone for 2 seconds, and this is what you do? Really? Oh my God.
Chick-fil-A! Hiya! Aw, damn it, Flynn, not the Lord's bushes, come on.
This is so cool. Have you come through before here? Awesome, you guys have a great rest
Thank
of your
you,
day.
you too.
Thank you.
My ass is getting so hairy. I need to shave my ass very soon. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Flynn is mildly offended that I'm singing Christmas songs when it's like 82 degrees outside. I want waffle fries. Sorry, Flynn, you can't have a chicken sandwich. You're on the keto diet. Too many carbs. Sorry. Hiya! You don't want the cookie?
A cow really wants to be a horse.
My Yahoo, my Yahoo, my Yahoo, my Yahoo, my Yahoo, my Yahoo, my Yahoo. Pleister, no my yay, no my yay, no my.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Tune.
Till it's my turn. I wanna blow bubbles with sperm. Wanna hit it from the back, let me arch my back. Once I arch my back.
Let go.
9. Ihr könnt es euch nicht vorstellen. So, jetzt. Sag mal! Ich glaub, ich bin.